everyone, my name is Shima. Welcome to my channel. I'm working in a salon in the UK. I'm here to teach you the professional salon techniques. Let's go!
In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a nail extension using half cover dual form. This method combines both hard gel and soft gel, and it creates one of the most natural looking shapes. The first step is to remove the natural oil from the nail surface using a 100-180 grade hand file. Next, using a teardrop-shaped sandy bit, we gently lift the cuticles off the nail surface. Then gently remove the dry cuticles using a nipper. If you are a beginner, only remove about 10% and do it very carefully. So use a small ball bead to smooth and soften the trimmed cuticles. If you are a complete beginner, it is better to use only a small ball bead for working around the cuticles instead of using the teardrop shaped bead, because it is very gentle and it's very beginner friendly. So to find the right size for a half cover dual form, you need to match it exactly to the natural nail. There is no need to go for a larger size. Then apply the base coat to the nail in a massaging motion using only half of it. Place a pea-sized amount inside the half tip. Spray it first using alcohol. Make sure the side walls are properly covered with product and not too thin. Apply gentle pressure, not too much. Just keep in mind, my form has a high apex, but you can use any style you like. You need to cure it quickly so the form doesn't lift off the nail. Then lightly level the cured gel with the nail to get it ready for the soft builder gel. If the color of your builder gel is similar to your poly gel, the result will look seamless, and it's very important to have the same color. Then we refine the shape using a hand file. My friend, we use the sharp bit to clean around the cuticle area and then apply the top coat. This step is very, very important to have a very good shape and clean cuticle area. If you enjoyed my video, support me with a like and comment. Love you. Bye. My friend, this video was a part 2. Part 1, which was about full tip extension, is in the previous video. This video was about half tip extension. If you are interested, feel free to check out both.